In low resource settings, oxygen therapy is used to pump higher concentrations of oxygen in the lungs of the infant if their lungs aren't working as efficiently or if they need positive airway pressure to prevent them from collapsing. And so in low resource settings where they don't have power, they use an oxygen cylinder which pumps 100% oxygen directly into the infant's lungs. And over time, that oxygen exposure can cause things like blindness or lung damage. So we want to lower that oxygen concentration and make it adjustable without using power.
So I'm going to connect the pure oxygen to our device. And as you can hear, that stream is a very fast stream of pure oxygen shooting out of this rubber stopper. You can't see it, but inside, the cross-sectional area of this tube is actually going to slowly decrease more and more and more. And what that's going to do is it's going to speed up the oxygen really fast. And it's going to end up shooting it through a very tiny orifice through this rubber stopper. And it's going to depressurize the air, which will allow for mixing with ambient air.
Our device, we kind of just wanted to make it as low cost as possible because air blenders do exist in like just the clinical setting, but they're just thousands of dollars, and we want to make something that's both accessible and easy to operate. We took the idea of using a syringe because that you can adjust the plunger in order to vary like the ratio of air and oxygen that's coming in. And we just thought of that idea because we thought like it's a simple way to basically combine air and oxygen without having all these like extraneous random components that are expensive. Of course, I think that it's super important that at the end of the day, this will go in the hands of a baby, a patient's life.